How to fix WhatsApp create channel option not showing. If you go to your WhatsApp, and as you can see, I do not have the channel or create a channel option on my WhatsApp application. That is because there are two reasons. So first is you can try update your application. So you can go to your app store or your play store depending on what device you have there, and you have to just search for the WhatsApp application. Now next thing that you're going to do is, if you see an update button there, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now it's very important for you to update your application, because new features such as the create channel option can only be you can only have that you can only have access to that once you update your application. Now, as you can see here, I've already updated it. Now, even if you open it, you have already updated it and opened it. As you can see, I still don't have the channels, right? If you try to update your application and you will see that option, then what you're gonna do here is, on the updates here on the bottom part, it will lead you here, right? Under channels, you'll see plus sign here. You can now simply tap on plus sign here and tap on create channel and tap on continue, and then you can create your channel name, you can add photo, and of course describe your channel. Now, if you're already done updating application and you still do not have that option, or you still don't have this option, that is maybe because WhatsApp, this feature is not yet available to your country, so you cannot do anything about it. But all you have to do is wait for the WhatsApp community to. All you have to do is to wait for your country to have that feature. But most probably, once you update your application, you will have this option, this create channel option. So basically, that is it. Let's just start creating a channel here. And basically, as you can see, I have already a public channel here. I have 0 followers. You can even share the channel link. And that's it. That is how you fix WhatsApp create channel option not showing. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.